Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is hoax. It's pronounced hoax, and it's spelt H-O-A-X. Think ho and then A-X. A hoax is a humorous or malicious intentional deception or lie. For example, if you called up a radio station and pretended to be the Queen, it would be a hoax in a humorous way. Alternatively, if you called them and pretended there was a fire raging somewhere, it would still be a hoax, but in a malicious, mean way. The word hoax probably comes from the late 18th century English word hocus, meaning to trick. This is also related to the common phrase hocus pocus, which is associated with magic, tricking people, or things which are not true. Have you heard of the Loch Ness Monster? Nessie has supposedly lived in the lake in Scotland for over 1,000 years, but most sightings have turned out to be fake. One of the most famous pictures taken of the mythical monster was even published in newspapers in 1934, but it was later revealed to be a hoax. It was just a toy submarine covered with a fake sea serpent body. Hoax can be used as both a noun and a verb. Therefore, you could say the Loch Ness Monster was just a hoax when using the word as a noun. Or you could say the Loch Ness Monster has hoaxed many people over the years when using the word as a verb. Hoax is defined in the dictionary as to deceive someone, especially by playing a trick on them. Hoax's synonyms include joke, jest, prank, trick, hoodwink, delude, fool, fraud, cheat, and bluff. Antonyms include honesty, truthfulness, sincerity, and openness. I doubt you'll see any kind of hoax today, as thankfully they are quite rare. But if you do, make sure you point it out. Things are not always as they seem. Question things and verify if they are true before you decide to believe in them. Be inquisitive and thoughtful. This will always serve you well. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.